Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the Coding Boat. This is last session of Essentials of Programming series. In this session, we are going to cover very important topic. What is that? What is use of programming language? We have understood what is software, types of software, what is operating system, what is distributed application software, what is standalone application software, what are types of system software, what is operating system, and what are duties of operating system. Correct? All those are nothing but softwares. Then what is the use of programming language in software development? That we need to understand very clearly. For that, I will remind you the definition of software. Software is set of programs aligned in an order to perform some specific task. Software is set of programs. Set of programs aligned in an order to perform some specific task. What is program? Program is nothing but set of statements. Now, what is statement? Statement is nothing but command, or we can say instruction given to electronic device. Set of statements. Here statement is nothing but command. Command is nothing but instruction given to electronic device. Now we need to understand how we can give instruction to electronic device. With the help of programming language, we can give instruction to electronic device. To give instruction or to create instruction, we make use of programming language. So let's go step by step. Software is nothing but set of programs. Set of programs is nothing but where a program is nothing but set of statements. What is statement? Statement is nothing but instruction given to computer. How we can give instruction to computer? Through programming language we can create instruction. That instruction which is given to computer will be followed by hardware peripherals of that particular machine, and finally our output will be generated. In this way we can say that this programming language is used in development of software. Observe this diagram properly, then automatically you will come to know what is exact use of programming language. Hope you have understood what is use of programming language clearly. And in today we are ending our series of essentials of programming, and from tomorrow we are going to start fundamentals of programming language. We are going to start fundamentals of programming language. If you master fundamentals of programming language, then you will be 100% eligible to learn any programming language, because foundation is important. If your fundamentals are 100%, then you can learn any programming language very easily. So I am inviting you all to please join fundamentals of programming language series. Thank you.